Think hibernate is essential if you don't use it. Disabling it is one of the safest ways to reclaim disk space. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Windows' hibernate feature saves your system state to a hidden file. While useful for resuming work quickly, this file can consume several gigabytes of disk space. If you rarely use hibernate, disabling it is a safe and effective way to reclaim storage. Here is how to do so. Method 1. Check hibernate file size. Hibernate stores your system state in a file called hibernate.sys. This file often takes up 6 GB or more on your C drive. If you don't use Hibernate, you can safely disable it and free up that space. First, confirm how much space hibernate.sys is using. Open a file search tool like Everything Toolbar or WinDIR-stat. Search for hibernate.sys. Or you can open File Explorer by pressing Win+E. Open Folder Options, click 3 dots. Select Options. Go to the View tab. Under Advanced Settings, check the box for Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. And check the box for Hide Protected Operating System Files. Click Apply, then OK. Now locate the hibernate.sys file and right-click the file, then select Properties, note the size. Method 2. Disable Hibernate via Control Panel. Turn off Hibernate using Power Options. Press Windows key +S, type Control Panel and open it. Set View by to large icons. Click Power Options on the left, select Choose What Power button do. Then click Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Under Shutdown Settings, uncheck the Hibernate option and then save the changes. Method 3. Disable Hibernate via PowerShell. Use a direct command to disable Hibernate. Here is what to do. Type PowerShell in the Windows search and choose to run it as administrator. You can also right-click on the Start menu and then choose Terminal Admin option. Then run this command in the PowerShell or Terminal window. Press Enter. Method 4. Verify Hibernate status. In PowerShell, type this. Press Enter. Look for Hibernation has not been enabled option. If shown, Hibernate is successfully disabled. Now, ensure hibernate.sys is gone. For that, search for hibernate.sys. The file should no longer appear. Your disk space will now show a few extra GB freed. Disabling Hibernate is one of the quickest ways to reclaim disk space in Windows. By removing the hibernate.sys file, you can instantly free up several gigabytes that were otherwise locked away. If this video helped you clear space by disabling Hibernate, hit like, subscribe for more practical Windows tips, and share your storage saving tricks in the comments, because chances are someone else is looking for the same solution. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.